Hi there, and here is Trader Wall. In today's video, we're diving into one of the most essential tools for traders, TradingView. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting out, TradingView has something for everyone. But what makes it so popular? From its rich history to its powerful features and global community, we're covering everything you need to know about this platform and how it can take your trading to the next level. Let's get started. Introduction to TradingView. TradingView is a powerful cloud-based charting and analysis platform designed to traders and investors across multiple markets. Whether you're trading stocks, forex, cryptocurrencies, or commodities, TradingView provides a suite of tools to analyze price movements, identify trends, and make informed decisions. It's more than just a charting tool, it's a complete ecosystem that connects traders worldwide, offering technical and social features in one place. History of TradingView. TradingView was launched in 2011 with a mission to simplify trading analysis and make it accessible to everyone. The founders recognized a gap in the market for a user-friendly, browser-based platform that combined robust charting tools with community-driven insights. Over the years, TradingView has grown into a global powerhouse, introducing innovations like the PineScript editor and real-time alerts, all while amassing millions of active users worldwide. Why TradingView is popular. What makes TradingView stand out is its ease of use and versatility. It offers clean, intuitive charting tools that are accessible even to beginners, while advanced traders appreciate features like multi-time frame analysis, hundreds of built-in indicators, and the ability to customize strategies. Beyond the technical features, TradingView fosters a vibrant community where traders can share ideas, strategies, and even scripts, making it a hub for learning and collaboration. Who uses TradingView? TradingView caters to a diverse audience. Beginners appreciate its simplicity and wealth of educational resources, while experienced traders rely on its robust tools to refine their strategies. Educators and mentors use it to teach technical analysis, and even professional investors find value in its flexibility and integrations. Its appeal lies in bridging the gap between casual traders and industry experts, providing something for everyone. Key features and use cases. One of TradingView's standout features is its advanced charting capabilities, supporting everything from candlestick patterns to custom indicators. Users can create and test their own strategies using PineScript, TradingView's proprietary scripting language. Real-time data and alerts keep traders updated, while the platform's broker integrations allow for direct trading. Whether you're analyzing long-term trends or looking for quick scalping opportunities, TradingView equips you with the tools to succeed. TradingView as a social platform. Unlike traditional charting tools, TradingView doubles as a social network for traders. Users can publish their trading ideas, comment on others' analyses, and even follow experts for inspiration. This collaborative environment is a game changer, especially for those who value community insights. It's not just about analyzing charts, it's about connecting with a global network of traders who share the same passion. Accessibility and pricing. TradingView is available on desktop, mobile, and web platforms, ensuring accessibility wherever you are. The free version offers plenty of features for casual traders, while the paid plans ranging from Pro to Premium unlock advanced tools, ad-free experiences, and enhanced data feeds. This tiered approach makes it suitable for both beginners and seasoned professionals. That wraps up our deep dive into TradingView, a platform that's reshaped the way traders analyze and connect. If you're already using it, let us know in the comments which features you find most useful. And if you're new to TradingView, now's the perfect time to explore its tools and join the community. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Trader Wall for more insights, and hit that bell icon so you never miss out on our latest content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.